What's up, guys? We're here at Soul Demand. I got a pair of Yeezys with me. I want to get rid of these. I want to show you guys what I'm trading, as I just ripped off the top. Israfil's, brand new, size 10. I want to get rid of them, but I want to come in this case and see what they got. Come over here. Take a look what we got. We got a lot of shoes in here. Travis's. Got a lot, man. You definitely have a lot of shoes. Travis. These are all crazy. Unions. Off-white. Ooh. Off-white 5s. I definitely need these. Oh my goodness. Yo, bro, how much for these off-whites? How much?
$750.
Alright, we're gonna work out a deal. I definitely need these. I think I'm gonna take these. South Beach. Ooh. Ooh, they got the off-white down there. Off-white 5s, I got the sales. Yeah, I definitely need these. They got the Air Max 90s. I did have those. I copped those when they dropped. Got the Grateful Deads. Yeah, I'm gonna take these. Alright, bro, we're gonna work out a deal. You work with me on the price on these?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, we're gonna work out a deal. I'm gonna cop these. I think I'm gonna cop these. Let's go work out a deal for these off-white 5s. So I'm gonna hopefully take these off-white 5s home. We'll work out a trade for these, hopefully. But let me show you guys, we'll show you what we got here. Israfil's, brand new, size 10. What can you give me for them? We're gonna trade for the off-white 5s. Of course I'm gonna add. What can you give me value-wise? Trade value. They're dead stock. They're 10. Check them out. Let me know.
$250.
$250, and then you work with me a little bit better on the price on these, maybe? Yeah.
Good. Yeah.
Okay. I'll add the cash. I'll add cash.
Yeah.
What are you thinking?
400.
4 in those?
Yeah.
What do you guys think? 4 in those for off-white 5s? Lightly worn? Are they even? Yeah, they're lightly worn. Had to double check.
Yeah.
OG box, everything? What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna take them, man. I have the sale. I definitely need these. I definitely need them, right?
The red laces,
Yeah.
dude.
Yeah. Oh, would they pop with the red laces? Ooh. Look at that pop of color. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take them.
That's it.
I think I'm gonna take them. I'm gonna shop around a little more though. I think I want to get a pair of Nike Dunks too. So I think I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I think we're gonna take these. We'll definitely do these, all right? I'm gonna shop around for a few more minutes, but as of right now, I'm gonna take these. So $250, good on these?
$250.
All right, and then 4 for these. So that's 4. I'm gonna shop around and hopefully pick up a pair of Nike Dunks. Let's go shop around a little more. Alright guys, we're here at the Nike Dunk section. I need a pair of Dunks. The Dunk wave is hype through the roof right now, right? Dunks are Dunks like one of your best sellers.
Probably the best.
Are they the best? See? So we're here at the mall. They gotta cop some Dunks. They got a big selection of Dunks. I'm not too crazy about the colorful colors like that. It's not something I'd wear like that. I think they're cool for like ladies and stuff, but not for me. These are pretty cool. I did have these, but I did get rid of them. Cobalt's nice, but not crazy about the black and blue so much. I like the lighter colors when it comes to Dunks. I need a pair of Pandas. I think Pandas, the black and whites, classic, can't go wrong, match everything. They got a crease like crazy, but it is what it is when it comes to Nike's quality. And yeah, man, definitely need a pair of Nike Dunks. Retail 100. How much are the Dunks here? Oh, not bad, not bad. What can you work with me on price on these?
Yeah.
Cool, he can work on a price on the Dunks. Let's go. Cop a pair of Dunks. Ooh! UNC. I did have these early. I no longer have them. I actually gave them away. Someone on Instagram actually won them for me, but these are actually really dope. I do like the UNCs as well, but I think I'd wear the black and white more. Come over here, they have Dunk highs. Ooh, Fragment. I did get rid of these recently. I did cop these for retail early too, which was dope. Exclusive access, but I wound up getting rid of them. Yo, Fragment Dunks, what happened, bro?
Market drop.
Oh my god, I guess people don't care about, do people care about Fragment anymore? Not really. I don't know, what happened? I feel like it's iffy, it depends on
the collab.
That's what I feel.
Travis Scott's.
What do you think happened with the shoe? You think it's the colorway that people don't care for? The Dunk high? I feel like it's just a Dunk high.
If it was a Dunk low.
That's exactly how I feel. I think if it was a Dunk low, it would have hit more. I feel like resale would be like probably
Dunk
400 or
highs are
500.
kind of weird besides the
Yeah.
what you call ones right there, the blue ones, like
Yep.
Syracuse.
Yep. See, these, like, you can't go wrong.
Syracuse's.
If you ask me, I think these two are gonna go up in price. I think it's safe. It's safe to say, yeah. Really good investments right there. I definitely think so. Foam runners, how do these sell for you? Good.
Wow.
The demand is through the roof. Everyone's saying our foam runners and Yeezy slides. Slides. They're so comfortable. Is it true? I heard that they completely messed up on the sizing.
They do run, I believe, 2 sizes small.
2 sizes small?
I'm pretty sure.
Come on, Adidas. You gotta fix your sizing. That's crazy.
I'm pretty sure.
That's crazy. Could you imagine getting like a size, ordering online like off of a third-party website and getting in the mail and it not fitting you? And you're like, what the heck?
You get it all the time, to be honest.
Yeah, I think Yeezy slides are one of those things you have to, in my opinion, buy in person. There's certain things you just have to try them on if you can. Yeah, definitely. So make sure they're comfortable because I feel like the older ones run tighter than the new ones.
I never had a pair.
Oh, I have the OG. I have the bone colorway, the first one that dropped. Yeah, those went up skyrocket. I have them. I copped them for retail. They weren't crazy back when they dropped like that.
Nothing.
No one cared.
Now they're $700-800.
Crazy, right? Crazy. Ooh, they got the mono clay right here. These are cool. Haven't seen these. You have the mist or no?
No, I don't.
Okay,
Just
definitely.
the mono clay.
Okay.
Definitely. I was trying to get mono cinders.
You have mono ice, I saw. Mono ice right
Yeah,
there.
mono ice.
Those are dope too. These are cool. I'm not crazy about the original clay, so I'm not too crazy about these either. They're okay. But nice to see the mono pack. Definitely got a lot. Come over here. We got some Yeezys. Mono ice. These are cool. Cool. Cloud white color. I like them. You like these?
I don't like Yeezys, but those are nice.
I'm not crazy about the material. The material switch up.
These. We're talking fire.
Those are crazy. Let's go back over there.
Fire.
How did I miss these?
They're fire.
I have the what's the black colorway called? I forgot.
Mineral blue.
Mineral blue. I have the
You
mineral
got them
blue.
too.
Yep, I have those. I like these. I think more.
I don't like foam runners, but that colorway is so sick.
I like the fuse, how it's like all different,
Yeah.
and each pair is different too,
Yeah,
which is crazy.
I've seen that, yeah.
They kept like I feel like the
There's
toe
like a little bit more swirl in one than the other.
Yep.
On every single pair.
crazy. So it's like custom in a way, which is sick. I think the toe is all grayed out, but then like you said, they switched it up with the creams in
The
there.
new ones are cool too. The mono, like the clay.
And there's Yeezy Day is gonna be crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Yeezy Day. Make sure you guys stay tuned for Yeezy Day, August 2nd. Crazy. Tons of restocks happening. So yeah, guys, they got a lot of stuff in here. I do want to pick up a pair of Dunks. Like I said, I think we're gonna go with the Panda. We're gonna go with a Panda. I need a size 11. You got it?
We got it.
We got it. Let's go do it. Let's go check out Off-White 5s and Panda Dunks. Let's do it. Let's cash out. All right. What's my total, boss?
Your total is 700.
All right. So that's for the Off-Whites with the Yeezy trade, right?
Correct.
Okay. And then the
And
Dunks.
the Dunks.
700 total. Let's do
That's
it.
it.
Let's do it.
You can tap or insert your card right there.
Tap right there.
You sure this 11's gonna fit?
Yeah. Okay. I'm really like 10 and a half, 11. 5s to me run a little big.
These run big.
Yeah, so that's why, yeah. I'm really like 10 and a half or an 11.
I'll put the card in there just in case.
5s in general to me run big. Especially off whites. Because there's less material on them.
Yeah,
so I know, I'm
this
sure
is
they'll
like the
fit.
mesh, yeah.
Yeah. They slimmed it down. Virgil slimmed down the 5, you know?
It's all you, bro.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Did some shopping today, boys. Yes, sir. Cashed out. Got some Dunks, some Off-Whites. Thank you, Solder Man. Make sure you guys check them out. I'll leave their link down below in the description. Everything you guys need, their Instagram. Give them a follow. Check out their store. They got really good prices and hype shoes. Check them out. Giveaway time. I'm going to give away a pair of Biohack Jordan 1s to one of you guys watching this video. All you guys need to do is be sure to hit that thumbs up. Let me know your size down below in the comments. Hit that subscribe button. Then give me a follow on Instagram. I'm going to make a post with the biohacks for the giveaway. So be sure to give me a follow on Instagram and get your entries in to win some Biohack Jordan 1s. 1 and 2. 2 pickups from Solderman. Let's take a look at what I purchased from Solderman. So right here we have the Panda Dunk, the black and white Nike Dunk Low. This is just a clean, overall really simple sneaker that I'm gonna be wearing almost every day. I'm probably gonna beat them up, to be honest with you. They're so simple, easy to wear. Leather quality is, you know, pretty soft. It's trash, to be honest. Regular Nike Dunk Low quality, but for $100 retail price point, it's not bad. They did give me these for a really solid price, so shout out to them, man. These are a dope shoe. I'm excited to rock black and white Dunks and wear them with practically anything. Now, this next sneaker I traded. You guys saw what I traded in the beginning. They gave me some store credit, and I added some cash on top. For this sneaker, an off-white that I definitely needed to have. This sneaker released, I believe, last year, and this was one of the best sneakers, in my opinion, to release last year. The Off-White Air Jordan 5. This is the black colorway. There's also the sail colorway, which I also own in my collection as well, so I definitely needed to complete the set. These are modeled, of course, after the metallic Jordan 5, man. These are dope. I really like the Off-White collection from Jordan Brand. They did a really good job on every Jordan Off-White. You know, Off-White doesn't kill it on every sneaker, but they definitely do on their Jordan collabs. They're dope. OG everything. Steal of a price for me, in my opinion. I think I definitely, you know, got a really nice deal on this, you know, lightly worn pair. Saved a lot of money getting them worn, that is for sure. This is like, you know, $1,000 sneaker dead stock. He gave them to me for like $650 value used. I'm happy with that. They're lightly worn. These are definitely going to be worn straight to the feet when it comes to the Off-White Air Jordan 5, man. These are fire. More family, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you guys like this type of sneaker content. Let me know down below in the comments. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.